Ever dreamed of traveling somewhere that feels like a hidden treasure? Let me take you on a whirlwind journey across Oman, a place that's going to blow your mind with its beauty. First stop, Muscat, the capital. It's like stepping into a storybook. Grand mosques with gleaming domes. Bustling souks packed with spices and silver. Palm-lined beaches that glow at sunset. The Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque. Stepping inside, you feel the air change. Next up, Nizwa, famous for its enormous fort. Climb to the top for panoramic views. Friday goat market, wild, lively, totally unique. Now, Wahiba Sands Desert, endless golden dunes rolling to the horizon, riding a camel at sunrise, camping under a sky bursting with stars. The silence here, unlike anything I've felt. From the sands to the mountains, Jebel Akhdar, the Green Mountain. Crisp, cool air and jaw-dropping views, terraced farms draping the cliffs, roses blooming in spring, filling the air with scent. Perfect for hiking or soaking in peace. Don't skip Wadi Shab. Turquoise pools, waterfalls, palm trees lining the gorge, short hike and rock hopping through the gorge. Swim into a cave with a secret waterfall, pure magic. Last but not least, Salalah. In monsoon it turns green, waterfalls everywhere, misty mountains, coconut groves by the sea. Feels more like Southeast Asia than Arabia. Oman isn't just the sights, the warmth of the people, the taste of fresh dates, cardamom coffee, the feeling you've discovered a hidden world. Which one would you explore first? Drop your pick in the comments. Which one would you explore first?